homemade pork rib glaze. This is such an awesome, easy recipe. If you like a sweet, sticky glaze with an awesome color, this is a video for you. I got given this recipe by my good friend Rick Carr, so thanks for sharing the recipe, Rick. I'm sorry the secret's out, but it's just too good not to share. So we'll waste no more time, and I'll show you how easy it really is. Right, so we're going to start with about a big tablespoon of butter, about 40 grams worth. We're going to wait till that's melted, and then we're going to stir in about a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. Alright, so now our butter's melted, in goes a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. We're just going to stir that until all that sugar's dissolved. Alright, so now that sugar's dissolved, we're going to stir in a big teaspoon of plum jam. If you've got strawberry or raspberry, you can use that too. And we're just going to do the same thing. We're going to let that melt down and stir it through. Alright, so now that jam's melted down nicely and it's nice and smooth, I'm going to add in about half a shot of some American whiskey. This slow and low stuff is awesome. It's got some really nice orange and honey undertones that really goes well with this glaze. And then the secret ingredient to get the really nice color is half a teaspoon of beetroot powder. If you don't have beetroot powder, you can also use some straight red cordial. That's going to add a little bit more sweetness, and it's also going to give you some really nice color as well. So we'll go ahead and add a half a teaspoon of this beetroot powder in, just to add really nice, rich red color. Alright, and now we're ready to baste our pork ribs. Alright, so that's just a quick rib glaze video. Highly recommend it. Look at that colour and it tastes amazing. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Cheers. Man, that's good.